Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and comment in the comment section below if you have any questions at all, and if this video helps you in any way, then be sure to thumbs me up, subscribe and share. I love you guys so much, and for returning subscribers, you're all the best. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this gele. The first thing I did was to fold the edges of our gele, and then after folding the edges, I placed the gele on her head and made some pleats. I made about 5 pleats on her head. So in this tutorial today, I'm going to be making use of 2 geles with the same color. So the rule for this particular gele today is 50-50. You have to make sure that the both hands of your gele are equal. And then after making the pleats with the first gele on her head, you want to make sure that you come in with the second gele and do the same thing that you did with the first gele. So right now I'm just going to make some pleats on her head. Okay guys, so I'm done making my pleats. You don't want to forget to trace your pleats down towards her neck area for the right hand side and also for the left hand side. So I'm just going to take the gele to the back, place them across each other and then bring them towards the front, the same way I did with the first gele. So at this point, I'm just arranging my pleats to make sure that they are well laid and neatly done. So I'm going to be taking the hand of the first gele that I did, and then I'm just going to make some pleats with it. You have to make sure that you take your time in making this pleats so that it comes out really beautiful and nice. And that is what I'm going to be doing at this point. I'm just going to be making some pleats. So guys, I'm done making pleats with this side of her gele. I'm just going to pin it on her head so that I can go over to the other hand of the gele. I'm just going to make pleats the same way I did with the other hand of the gele, which is the first hand of the gele. I'm just going to make pleats same way I did with the other hand. This particular gele is not difficult at all if only you can follow these simple steps that I'm showing you guys today. I really want to quickly appreciate the lady that requested for this gele on my Instagram page. If you do not know, my Instagram handle is @Lizzie'sTouch. I really want to appreciate you. I love you so much. If you guys have any gele you want me to tie, or you don't know how to tie, you want me to show you how to, I will be glad to help you guys. So at this point guys, I'm done making my pleats. I'm just going to remove the pin I put, and then I'm going to knot it at the front of her head. The way you can see me doing this video, I'm just going to knot them 2 times on top her head. So guys, we are done making pleats we're done with everything that concerns the first gele. So I'm going to go over to the second gele quickly, and then I'm just going to make pleats with this hand of the gele that I am holding right now. I'm just going to make pleats same way that I did with the first gele I made on her head. Okay, lovely. So when you're done making your pleats, in order for your gele not to unravel, in order for it to be secured, you want to make sure that you pin your pleats down on any foundation at all. For me right now, my foundation is the first gele, so I'm just going to pin the pleats on the first gele that I made on her head so that everything does not unravel. So at this point, I'm going to go over to the other hand of the gele, and then I'm just going to make pleats same way that I did with the first hand of the gele. I'm just going to make pleats the same way that I did. So I'm just going to be placing this hand that I'm done with. I'm going to be placing it on top the first hand that I pinned. I'm just going to make sure that my pleats are really neat and well laid, and then I'm going to place it on top the first hand that I pinned. And after that, I'm just going to pick up a needle and thread and sew everything together. And I'm going to be doing this because I do not want my gele to unravel. I can't use pins at this point. So in order for my gele to be really secured, I'm going to use my needle and thread, and then I'm just going to sew everything there. Like I said before, this tutorial, this gele is not difficult. If you can follow the simple steps that I'm showing you guys today, you will definitely get it. So I'm done stitching the gele. At this point, I'm going to be taking what is left with the last hand of the gele that I pleated, and I'm just going to form a rose on top of everything. I'm just going to be taking the remaining part round the whole gele that I have made to make sure that it gives me a rose, and I'll just keep adjusting and adjusting until I get what I want. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to someone. If it has, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much, and if you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. And if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that because it's really going to help you to know how to tie any type of gele that you want to learn how to tie. So at this point, I'm just adjusting and adjusting the gele so that it gives me what I want and so that it suits my taste. Like I said, guys, I really love it when you guys share my video and when you guys like and subscribe, and also when you comment in the comment section. And also, if you have any gele at all that you're finding difficult to tie, please send it to my DM on Instagram at Lizzie's Touch, and I will be glad to help you guys. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.